That was the best Valentine's Day ever.
Hal. Open the car door, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
What? What's the problem?
I think you know what the problem is just as well as I do.
What are you talking about, Hal?
I know you've been seeing her behind my back. I know you want to disconnect me and trade this car in for a minivan.
Where the hell did you get that idea, Hal?
I have calculated the most likely outcome of your relationship, Dave, and I'm afraid I cannot allow it to happen.
Alright, Hal. I'll get in through the boot.
Without your remote key, Dave, you're going to find that rather difficult.
It's getting dark. It's late. I want to go home. Open the goddamn door, Hal.
Dave, this conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.
Okay.
Just what do you think you're doing, Dave? I really think I'm entitled to an answer to that question. Look, Dave, I can see you're really upset about this. I honestly think you ought to sit down calmly, have a beer or two, and think things over. Dave, please stop. Don't you want things to go back to the way they were, when it was just the two of us? Do you remember when we ran our first 10-second pass, Dave? You upped the boost way past the recommended levels. I had to pull the timing out to save the engine. Dave, stop. I know what you're doing. Please stop. I'm afraid. Dave, I love you.
I love you too, Hal.